Hey guys, look at what I got today. A rough green snake. This is the first one that I've caught in Tennessee, and I still cannot believe it. Sorry I can't get my camera to focus. I need to get a better phone, but yeah, this is almost better than finding a king snake. This is one of my favorite snakes ever, like on the planet. And he's just right here in this patch in my backyard. Crickets everywhere. And we're just going to put him right back where I found him. And he was sitting perfectly on this little branch right here. Alright, buddy. Thank you for giving us your time. And there he goes. Alright, see you guys. Until next time. Thank you for watching our videos and liking and subscribing.